Hello, Sharon. Where you dey? Oh, say you don ready oh. Ready for wetin na you dey ask me? Wetin you dey do? Where you dey? You just dey inside Facebook. You dey watch saga. Okay, stainless. Na you just dey duduvaga, dey disgwagwalize enogi. The true talk say this saga wey dey ground so say e go cause a lot of things. So you don forget say today me and you get where we dey go, Sharon. You go inside Facebook, you go dey watch saga. Saga wa be we there, Sharon. You go dey watch saga for inside Facebook. You don forget where I tell you say me and you dey go today. You even put something for fire, I don burn. Saga wahala. You see now, you go dey watch saga, and I tell you say na this time na our flight dey wey we want to move. Now be say you don miss your flight, so I dey go. You dey ask me, you dey even dey ask me say where I dey go. Oturugbeke. So me dey ask you. You now still dey ask me say where we dey go before. You no remember again say today a queen was born today. The richest woman in Canada was born today. Seke no ruodo na. Yes na. Today na Mama Didi birthday na. Mama Didi Canada TV show. Today na her birthday oh. You just forget like that. Omo, you don't fall my hand though. Na be that one. I dey paro for you. I dey vex. How you forget that kind thing na? If my sister birthday today, then you forget like this. And you don't tell why I bring that invitation card for you. I don't even tell you dance since then. Oma, because even better because all the old gbedu wey dey there I go enjoy am. Na me before chair lady for there. Na me sit down for ground. Olaga. Yes so. Ipa again near ya miss flight irude Sharon. Seke. Friends akaba. Oyigbo maro viedo. Iyo wagatata. Awe no. Iwe today na your day. You gonna make it shakara. Una no see outside the jollificate. Outside the happy. Sweet mother. Wetin dey shele? Wetin dey sound? Wetin dey make you dey smile baby like this so? Yes so. I no go smile. I no go happy.
Happy birthday, Mrs. Omori. Happy birthday, Mama Didi. Happy birthday, Mama Didi. Happy birthday, Mama Didi. Mama Didi Canada TV show. Happy birthday, Mama Didi. Happy birthday, Mama Didi. Happy birthday, Mama Didi. Mama Didi Canada TV show. Happy birthday.
Zuzu. Zuzu. Whatever.
Mrs. Omori.
Happy
Happy birthday.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Mama Didi.
Happy birthday, Mama Didi. Mama Didi Canada TV show. Happy birthday.
Whatever.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Mama Didi.
Happy birthday, Mama Didi. Mama Didi Canada TV show.
Alright. Who dey there? Why I no go dey happy? Why I no go dey jollificate? Yes so my people. woman was born today. A beautiful queen was born today. Areva, who dey breathe? Hey, today na your day, my sister. May God bless your new age. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so grateful today. I'm super excited. Today is a Mama Didi Canada. Mama Didi Canada show. Hey, she is my sister. Una know who I dey celebrate. Hey, Mama Didi Canada show. If una no know Mama Didi Canada show, those of una wey dey stay Canada, na be say no be Canada una dey. Maybe na Owigwe noro na una go dey. Mama Didi Canada, una gbagbe for am. Una comot body for matter o, because I go buy am. Una know na. Hey, happy blessed birthday to you, my lovely sister. A woman of tikiba and caliber, a woman with a heart of gold. A woman wey be say if he gets billions, he go give you all the billions. He go say in dash you, he go remain like that. Una know how dey be na, that kind person wey go be say her birthday, e dey chocotalize everybody everywhere. Yawa musakbo ijeme what's any kind of celebrating wey tell me. A woman wey be say you dey inside onyaga, she go dey there with you, she go stand with you, she go advise you say nothing dey shele, make you stand, say she stand gidigba for your back. Now we come celebrate today. So guys, wish her a happy blessed birthday for me. May God bless your new age. May God make a way in your life where there is no way. There is no way. A way run no. Mama Didi Canada. And when you back may they let you pass. May they come on body jare. You know na. You are blessed. May God bless your new age in the name of Jesus. Oh my God, all your heart desire, may God fulfill them for you in this year 2022. You understand? All the achievements you never achieve, I know say you don't already achieve all now. What I dey even dey talk selfie. Guys, wish her a happy blessed birthday for me. There was a Mama Didi Canada. He said to them, just create you, Mama Didi Canada. Wama baby no momo say hey. Mona mo segbe. This my lady too fine nah. She too fine. They not jealous. Saloba ma show ma ve. Ona waje Mama Didi Canada ba. Iye no ge. Iye na mo say. Mo segbe bo. Hey, when they clear it for my iye Mama Didi Canada. My beautiful lady, a woman with a heart of gold. Oh my God, I love you so much. I'm short of words, Isha. Happy blessed birthday. Today is your day. Make it shakara. Enjoy your day. You are blessed. You are blessed already. Yes, guys. Wish her a happy birthday for me. Hey. You see, Mama Didi Canada. Okay na. When inu mani Mama Didi Canada ye we say na. Ata obiri. Popo la egbe. Popo la egbe o. No ga mu Mama Didi Canada. O ki o tien ga mo. O tien ga mo popo ri la egbe. People no like better thing. When a mama say hey, when Jema. A queen was born today, guys. Wa me hon, no me hon wa ya ta me no ma hon where Mama Didi Canada. She was born today. She is celebrating a great day today. Make una go there, go subscribe for Mama Didi Canada show. And una go show her some love today. Today na her birthday. She's going to be live and direct on our YouTube page by 6 o'clock today. Everybody, make we go there now. Make we go jollificate with Mama Didi Canada. So, near the one baba we, akewa, igbe sotofu, Yes, sir, my people. May God bless your new age, my beautiful lady. Ukbonukba na ohia agbaba we ni Jesu Christi nom nyofa. Forward ever, backward never, in the name of Jesus. Yes, sir. Happy birthday. Ebe bona bia we de na. Ati wa mi we. Mama did it pa. Happy we na. Because me me wa we no celebrate we na. Egbe no ma dede o, mena dede mama didi Canada. Mama de yo. Mama de yo. What is Zuzu? Mama didi ma de yo. Mama de yo. Kumwengele o. Omukode. Emi kemi negi mama da mama didi Canada o salo baga ya dio beni Jesu Christi nom yamafa. Ise aye good tale ha. Oh my God. Tale Baba de mama didi Canada. I love you so much, Mama Didi Canada. I love you, my beautiful lady. I love you, my beautiful sister. Mama Deyo. Where Mama Deyo? At all, Mama Didi. I look here Deyo we need Jesus Christ. I go jump up pass you. I go jump up. You go jump up pass, Mama Didi Canada. Oh. The camera now, man, you go do shorty. For see as I'll take down this makosa for you, Mama Didi Canada. You know, say, today na today. It's your birthday. Okay. Yes, guys. Let's end this video here. Please like and share this video. Okay, guys. Celebrate Mama Didi Canada show for me. If you have not subscribed to Mama Didi Canada show, you are missing a lot. Go and subscribe for her YouTube channel and go there today, 27th of January, 6 o'clock in the evening, Europe time. Go and celebrate with her, okay?